So this Vipralabdha is the fourth type of Nayaka, the stood-up lover who is unintentionally cheated by her lover, by her beloved. So as Rupa Goswami says, feeling cheated, Vipralabdha, 83. Kritva sanketam aprapte daivaj jivita valabhe. Jivita valabhe. The beloved of one's life. Jivita valabhe. Avyata manant avyata man antara prokta vipralabdha manishibi. Nirveda chinta kirashru murcha nishwasit adibhak. So when she's somehow or other unintentionally, Krishna doesn't come, he breaks his appointment due to destiny. This Vipralabdha Gopi, she feels very unhappy in her heart, feels cheated. In other words, the stood up, cheated lover, because Vipralambha means feeling cheated. And her reactions, this is her bhav, this is her feeling, this becomes her sthayi bhav, temporary sthayi bhav. Her sthayi bhav is madhurati, amorous loving attachment for Krishna, and parakiya bhav as his paramore lover, Gopi. But now that the waves, the sanchari, a mood of feeling cheated rises up in that. And then she expresses various sattvic bhavas and sanchari bhavas, like crying, ashru, and murcha. She cries, she laments, she becomes despondent. These are vyabhachari bhavas. 33 small feelings. Despondency, she becomes very thoughtful. Then nishwast, she starts breathing heavily. She's manifests feelings of despair and anxiety and anguish, weeping and sighing. These are some of the ways by which the cheated or unintentionally stood up lover, the cheated lover, the Vipralabdha Nayaka, these are some of the emotional responses and feelings and physical expressions she undergoes in responding to the situation of being stood up and apparently cheated by her lover. So there's an example of the Vipralabdha Nayaka.